Good afternoon. As I said, I remain Sunday. This is our third class for Microsoft project for project management. Okay. In our last class, we have actually, explained how we can use the software to prepare a schedule, which is actually the most important thing. Okay, but this today now going to, based on the assignment that a lot of people have submitted, I have seen that, okay, at least you have a good understanding of the software. So today we're going to do some few settings that we're supposed to do, and then some other things that we're supposed to know as far as the software is concerned. Like we need to learn how we can assign resources to our schedule. And then at the same time, we need to learn how to adjust the calendar. Okay, so these are the things that we'll be doing today. So before we continue, here today we have the educational manager of CAD Structure Technology. Okay, I actually invite him here to actually talk about the program of CAD Structure Technology, what we do, okay, to the participants. Okay, so we'll give him some minutes, possibly 5 minutes, possibly to actually talk about CAD Structure Technology and what we do and some other programs that we do. So let's just listen to him. Thank you. So over to you, Mr. George.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, so I'm actually very happy and excited to be here. I'm going to be sharing some few things with the rest of us. I'm sure those who go over the video will find this material very useful to all of us. Yeah, so I'm going to tell us a little about CAD structure. I'm sure you guys have been involved with CAD structure with Mr. Engineer. Sorry, he keeps saying that I should stop calling him engineer, but I think it's still the same though. Without regard, my mentor, my friend, Mr. Abu Sunday. So I am going to be talking on CAD structure technology. Now, just begin by saying that CAD structure technology is on a path. Our trajectory is to be customer oriented, to focus on clients, on people who are targeted. Yeah, we are targeted, we are innovative. We're doing our best to present software and technicality center training services. All right, so we are progressive in the sense that we look at things that are very useful in industry and in the market today, and we are giving it to our customers, our clients. Yeah, and if you can just follow the slide. So I'm just going to use this slide I'm actually shared on the screen so that we can actually go through the items together. Thank you. I know so far so good. We only have 2 other people on the chat. So if you can, you just follow along with me. I'll be very brief. Okay. So we CAD structure technology, we believe in our customers and we believe in what we do. And also we are environmental design. We focus on environmental design. So we use every other thing as far as it relates to environmental design, whether it be construction design, design itself, project management, facility management. We focus on everything that makes the environment works. All right. Yeah. So that's actually our key focus. Yes. So we focus on training with regards to this, and it's very important that you are actually part of our training, and I'm sure you've benefited so far with what you've actually got engaged in with Mr. Kusandi, and it's very important. Yeah. Yeah, so we are a construction firm. So in case you have people who are seeking to get involved in construction projects, yeah, we take over construction projects, we handle construction projects, the project management with respect to that, and other things as it relates to design of your construction projects and what are the things relating to this. Our aim is to provide very high professional, excellent service to our client, irrespective of all constraints. I mean, all constraints, be it time, cost, inconvenience, whatever the constraint, we can actually manage your constraint with excellent service to our clients, maintaining efficiency and profitability. We ensure that we give value for your money. It is very important that we focus on this, and that's what we're working on diligently since the inception. Yeah, so we have educational programs. Yeah, this part of CAS structure I'm presenting is on our educational program. So earlier I've spoken about generally what we do. So based on our educational program, we are currently running 8 diplomas as affiliated with an international accreditation body, which is Skills Development Council Canada. So it's an international accredited body that have certified our 8 diploma courses. And we have other certificate programs, and there are about 25 of them. Yeah. And we have 12 specialized workshops every year, which we undertake. And currently, actually, I'm excited to see that you actually are benefiting from one of our workshops. We undertake 12 of them a year. So I want to go to the next slide now. Yeah. So the diploma courses we have. Now we have diploma courses that range from contract procurement and management to health and safety and management, card technology, that is computing the likes of them, with respect to the GIS, spatial analysis, survey sketch. Yeah, so print your products, engineering, we teach you all the tools that you need via this. All of these programs, like I said earlier, all accredited with the Skills Development Council Canada, and it's been a very, it's actually a new partnership we have with them. However, we've come to upgrade our national expectations. So our program, the diploma program, is conducted online and offline. So for those who want, you can have a program online. For those who want, they can have it offline in any of our branches and our designated center, particularly in Kaduna State for now. And all this is run by CAD Structure. So it is in partnership. We finish the training, we submit your details and your assessments to Skills Development Council, and they assure us of your certificate. And you have your diploma, internationally recognized and certified. And it's a very, very important program because we also the next programs like expert-centered program. We call it the expert skills. So basically, they are more of like specialized application skills like quality assurance, quality management, adaptation to particular issues in operation management. So it is kind of like specialized 25 certificates we have. So if you're interested as an individual, you can actually get involved with us for our project management, facility management, agile and scrum as listed later in the diploma courses, or you can actually take a more wider range and come on and then take on a workshop 1 time or twice a year. For specialization, you want to just upskill yourself to be more back in the job market in what you do. Yeah, so that's our focus. So if you want to get involved as an individual structures, and I'll be very, very happy to meet up with you to make you part of our program. And we have a network of people who have actually gotten involved with us for the past years. We've recorded a significant number of people that have actually gotten involved in the training, and they've always been better. We've always seen transformation and promotions here. So it is very important, and it's very significant to people, other people's life. We have testimonies on that. So we have our social media outlets. You can actually check on internet. You can visit our website, our CAS Structure, or any of our social media websites and sites, and then you can actually pick up the form. There's a form you can fill there, and you can actually pick up the training. Yeah. So in case you have any question with respect to the training, with respect to CAS Structure technology, you can actually just reach out.
So I was saying that I observed that your diplomas are accredited by a foreign agency only. What effort are you making in terms of being accredited by Nigerian agencies, particularly NBTE, National Board for Technical Education?
Yes, yeah. Okay, so actually, we are making arrangements. It's thoroughly going on. Yeah, so far we're still making preparations. The requirements we have to meet with respect to NBT accreditation. It takes a long time for the accreditation to be over or to be concluded. So we are still on the process, and that's with respect to that. However, the Skill Development Council Canada has opportunities. The reason why we have to opt for Skill Development Council Canada is because of the opportunities it presents for our students and in the international community. So With that, you can actually get job placements internationally to work remotely. You know, some of the software skills are very beneficial in remote work. And also for job placement abroad, perhaps you want to actually move on and study abroad or to further education abroad, to work abroad, you actually have these opportunities. So while we're working on our NBT accreditation, we're also working tirelessly to ensure that our program, the value we're adding to our clients and those who benefit from our programs is continuously being improved. So therefore, the Skill Development Council Canada was the reason why we're offering Skill Development Council Canada accreditation. I don't know if I answered your question, Mr. Musa.
Yeah, you've answered this. I think it is good that effort is on in making sure
Yes,
that you are accredited by the NBTE. I also want to suggest that you can, in addition to being recognized by Canadian Development Skills, you can say effort is on to ensure that your certificates are accredited by the NBTE. Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Sorry, Mr. Salo, I know you're just joining us. I don't know if you have any question.
Yeah, good afternoon, George. I joined late. Despite the fact I was on my way, so I just joined the class, so that I should be part of the class today. I was just a little bit late. Yeah, so but no problem. I've already gone through all your website. I have gone through all the diploma and even the postgraduate. I think in the next time, I think I'll discuss with the Sunday Abo. If there is anything I think we can have in our agency, I think we can help us through that. I think we have some of our partners. I think so. That in regards to this GIS, yeah, that's great. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so since I think we've just concluded this session,